going to be playing Subway Surfers, and today we are going to be running up to 300,000 miles. Yesterday we ran 200,000, and the day before that we ran 100,000. And today we are going to be running 300,000. Yeah, but I got my 2 times doubler with me, and I have been leveling up my accounts, and now it's on 12 times 12 times doubler or something like that. So when I get a 2 times doubler, I actually get 24. So that's really good. So so yeah, I have nothing to talk about except that I have nothing. Oh yeah, guys, if you didn't see my last video, you should go check it out, and after you check that one out, listen to my past self, and he will say, go watch the first video. And there might be a playlist, I will add it soon, so go check out that playlist, and yeah. I hope you enjoy this. Oh gosh. Okay. That really sucked. Okay. Hoverboards. Jake's spray. Okay. How many? We only have 4 hoverboards, which really sucks because now we can't use the trick on the hoverboards with getting away with the police and having another life. Oh, this is the worst item in the game. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay. I just completed that word challenge. So I guess I'm going to get like about 100 or 1,000 1,000 stuff or 1,000 coins, and I just need one more left. I just need like one more windmill to get another prize. So maybe in this video. Oh yeah, they actually removed the glitch where like when you're on the little thing on the near the train stop that you can't even jump on the trains anymore. I think Subway removed that from the game for some reason. I think because it was too overpowered, but you can only get up there with the super bouncy shoes or the stinky shoes now for some reason. So yeah, and oh, we just got a key. So I'm gonna try to look for this last treadmill or this windmill. I don't know what it's called, but okay. Oh yeah, don't forget to go check out my Discord server. The baby penguins. Oh, this is so tiring talking and trying to concentrate on the video game. Okay. Oh, this is the thing that they removed. Now you can't jump on that. Well, you can, but you get dizzy for some reason. My grammar's not on point right now. Okay. Okay. Jump up and down. Jump it all over. Okay. Dodge. Oh, I got so many magnets for some reason. I wish I could have a magnet count, but I don't have that much space to put it. But I might, when I'm like editing this, maybe I can add like a magnet count on the top, maybe. So yeah. Okay, dodge. dodge. Okay. Um. Okay. The 2 times doubler, let's go. 67. Okay, come on. Okay. 72,000. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Good thing I didn't get those bouncy shoes. Like, sometimes you can actually get dizzy when you jump on a train. So you have to do it like right. So that's why I don't like the bouncy shoes. I got a 2 times doubler. 2 times doubler. I actually wish you can like vote for worlds, or like you could do like co-op modes, like you can race. That would be actually pretty nice if there's like a co-op mode. 97,000. Come on, let's make it to the 100,000 point. No, I missed it. I missed the 2 times doubler because I was trying to get that stupid windmill, and I'm not even complete with the challenges. Magnet? Come on, brother. Come on. Okay. Okay, we barely even have that much. Why? Why did they have to do that to me? I could have jumped and ducked. 3 keys? That's nice. Okay. Duck. Okay, we have the thing for a good start. Okay. Okay. Jump up and down. Jump up. Okay. So now we only have like 12,000 now. There's a mystery box. So I'm not missing this mystery. But I think there's a 2 times doubler up there. But I'm not taking any chances because I really need some new hoverboards and new keys or gold. That's usually what you get in those common mystery boxes. But when you get the gold ones, you don't know what you're gonna get. So remember, you're not gonna get like new skins out of the mystery boxes. But the gold ones, you just get a lot of gold. But if you watch those ads, usually it doesn't really give you that much. Yeah. The thing. Okay. Jump. Okay. Okay. Come on. What? So, why is there even like the cop is like really like slow? So I don't know why every time you run, it gets more faster. Why don't you like buy like a power up, but you don't buy it with actual money. You buy it with like 100,000 coins, and you start off with like a good amount of speed, or you can get like one slow round where you don't get like the police officer at all, and you just run and get coins and get your score up. That would be easy mode, but in hard mode, the police is faster, and you have to go faster and faster and faster. That was actually a good game mode. Or like you can like race people from all around the world, and like whoever wins, there should be like a tournament for Subway Surfers. I know I'm getting too ahead of myself, but it's actually a pretty good idea. I think it's like Zyro Gaming. Please add this, please. I'm begging you. Well, I'm not begging you. I'm simply acknowledging you. Yep, that's the right word. Okay, oh, that was so close. I almost got the stinky shoes. Stinky shoes suck. But at the same time, you can jump over trains, but it's too risky because you can easily get dizzy and die, or you can die. Well, you can get arrested, and you can get dizzy. That's what I'm saying. Because if you're dizzy already and you have the stinky shoes on and you try to jump on top of a train, there's a possibility that you might hit the train and then you can die. Okay, we're at 92. I wasn't really paying attention to the thing. Dodge. Okay. Side. Okay, I should probably upgrade my um my my jetpack. Yeah, I should really upgrade that. Oh, another jetpack. Okay. Okay. Okay, my thing is gonna run out. 120 something. Okay. Good thing I had oh, I only have one hoverboard left. Just like in the last episode of running. Okay. Those stinky shoes for me. Okay, I wish like the old glitch, like they fixed the glitches. I actually like the glitches. They are actually pretty enjoyable. Except that well, there wasn't really like a glitch that I hated, but I wish they bring it back. Like, I mean, I know they're like overpowered, but yeah, you can barely even die with them, and they actually make the game fun. Well, the game is really fun, but yeah. Okay, I'm trying to concentrate, but I'm really talking, so I'm missing a lot of coins. I don't know why. I need really to concentrate. Oh gosh. Okay. 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 Oh, come on. We're actually almost close to the goal. Thank you, Tagbot. I love you. I love you, man. I love you. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Another jetpack. Nice. Okay, I so we're almost to the goal. We just need 100 more or 120 more miles to go. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna talk. I know I don't like my voice either. Okay. It's so laggy. What's happening? Okay. I almost. Okay. Oh no. It's so laggy for some reason. Okay. I think no, the lag. Okay, I think I got the lag off. Cause I think I broke the game because I'm going so fast. Or something like that. Okay. Okay, we're at 200, baby. I don't know why it was hard for me yesterday to get 200, and look at me. I'm going so fast. I'm fast as F, boy. Okay, I really don't want to take any chances with getting all of these coins. Okay. We just need like 90, 80. Okay, I can't keep track because I'm going so fast and I don't want to die because this is the fastest we ever gotten. And yeah, I really don't want to. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh no. Okay. Okay, why is it? Okay, for some reason I survived the lag. Oh. Okay. Can we do this? Guys? Okay. Okay, cross your fingers, guys. I know I say that every video, and I usually die, but yeah. I'm going on the side. I ain't taking any chances. Because I really don't want to lose our streak right now. Okay. Come on. This is going to be the shortest video of the Subway Surfers thing. Okay, 260. Okay, 260. Come on. Okay. Come on. I am dying of sweat right now. Okay. Okay, dodge. Okay. 270. Okay. Oh! Okay. Come on. Please, I'm begging you, game. I'm begging you. Well, that kind of sounds too, weird. So I'm not 200. Oh my god, guys! Okay, please, officer. I'm doing this for a video and a great cause. What? Why am I even going out in this video game when it's coronavirus? Oh no, this thing is. Wait, I'm a robot. So, really, I'm just doing this from home. Oh! Come on. Let's go! Oh my god. Guys, we did it! Smash that like button! I actually did it! Okay, that sounds like too desperate, but okay. So I don't even care that I died. We got a new high score, baby. Oh. 389. That's almost to that's almost 400. Bro, I don't think we even have to do a video tomorrow because we already got the new high score. But it's not a shortest video, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.